Hello and welcome to Easy Projects. So a lot of things are going on here and I didn't really have the opportunity to make any videos for the longest time, it seems like. The current situation is that I bought a house and I'm starting to set up my new lab in this room I have here in the basement. So I already went to the hardware store and bought some shelves, basically identical to the ones I had. And I just shoved everything in there. So the plan is that I would like a desk on this side, basically the entire length of the room is my plan, and maybe add some shelves over the bench. So I need to build the bench first, and then I can start putting equipment and stuff on there. So I think I can finally get enough room to actually have a soldering area and like a test and development area. I need to install more lights in here. Currently there's only one LED lamp in the ceiling, and I need some more light in the ceiling above the benches. So many things are still in boxes here. I got the 3D printer upstairs, but only one spool of filament. The rest is still in boxes. And all the equipment are on the shelves, and now I messed up all my components, so I don't know where anything will be, but basically it's here somewhere. That also gives me an opportunity to go through it all and resort it. I basically started this system with very few components, and I just kept adding and adding and adding, and when the box got too small I got a bigger one and just put more stuff in there. So I just sorted it by IC, or capacitors, resistors, diodes. I have separate for LEDs and for normal diodes, but I would like to get separate boxes for sorting the ICs also. I don't know yet what to do with my component drawers. So far I just have resistors in them and a few miscellaneous components, but my plan is maybe to put ICs in them and stuff like that. Maybe I will I'll get rid of this ancient cabinet here, and maybe I'll just plaster this wall full of drawer cabinets. Yeah, but I don't know. I can see when the bench come in how much space I got. So just a short update video, and the next videos will probably be setting up this lab. I don't think you should expect any project starting soon. I need to get this sorted out first, and hopefully we will get back on track, and I have a few ideas for some projects that I want to make around the house here, and we can definitely make some electronics for it, but that'll have to wait a bit, I'm afraid. So thank you for watching this video, and see you sometime for the next video. Probably not soon, but thanks for watching, and see ya.